Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
Today we're looking at another preposition, and a preposition tells us where the subject or object is. Today it's le, which roughly translates to with, but just remember, as with all language, there often isn't a direct translation. So, for le, each pronoun has its corresponding one. Lum, with me. Lat, with you. Lesh, with him or it. Lay, with her. Lin, with us. Live, with ye, you plural. Lo, with them. Áfach an ceist mó, the big question. When do we use le? Well, the most obvious one is with. Rit me scoil le Paul. I ran to school with Paul. Irene she lat gach lá. She gets up with you every day. Lein famid san airlo. We will jump in the air with them. Le with bool is very important. Vul me le Paul means I met Paul. Fuck, if you forget the le, you're going to get an assault charge. Vul me Paul translates to I hit Paul. So if you're talking about meeting someone, always include that le. We use le for preferences. Is mat lum, I like. Ni mat lat, you do not like. Is fua lesh, he hates. Is fader lay, she can. Is far lin, we prefer. Is even live, ye love. And tatnian, low, basically means whatever, agrees with them. So just real biog, a small rule. So in general, le doesn't change anything about the word after it. However, if the word begins with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, make sure you put a H with the word after le. So for example, le cahal, le pole, no change. But if you have with oren, you'd say le horan. With sive, le sive. If you have inchin, you'd say le hinchin. And with mihal, le mihal.
Agus sin é.